It's almost 2025. You must be very curious about the development of vacuum coating. Tecsun Technology, where innovation meets excellence. With over 30 years of experience, we are proud to be recognized as a national high-tech enterprise, specializing in the development and manufacturing of cutting-edge vacuum coating machines. At Tecsun, we focus on delivering top-notch vacuum coating solutions tailored for a variety of industries. Our expertise shines brightest in the semiconductor sector, where precision and reliability are paramount. Our expertise spans across various industries, including semiconductors, lithium batteries, optical lenses, and much more. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. Our advanced vacuum coating machines ensure that these critical components are produced with the utmost accuracy, enhancing performance and efficiency. But that's not all. We also specialize in vacuum coating solutions for lithium batteries. As the demand for sustainable energy solutions grows, our technology plays a vital role in enhancing battery life and performance. Our machines are designed to optimize the coating process, ensuring that every battery meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. With Tecsun, you can trust that your energy solutions are in capable hands. Next up, let's talk about optical lenses. In a world where clarity and precision are essential, our vacuum coating technology provides the perfect solution for enhancing lens performance. Whether it's for cameras, glasses, or high-tech equipment, our machines deliver superior coatings that improve light transmission and reduce glare, ensuring that every image is crystal clear. But our expertise doesn't stop there. Tecsun Technology offers vacuum coating solutions for a wide range of applications, from automotive to aerospace, ensuring that we meet the diverse needs of our clients. With over 100 patents related to vacuum coating technology, we are at the forefront of innovation. Our commitment to research and development ensures that we provide the most advanced solutions tailored to your needs. Join us on this journey of innovation and excellence. Discover how Tecsun Technology can elevate your business with our state-of-the-art vacuum coating solutions. Visit our website today